All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. And in this video, we are going to be getting some runs in the Shelby GT350. I don't know where I am right now. We are en route to a location in Mexico. We stopped at a Buc-ee's. I don't even know where I'm at. I'm like the only car here, at least in this area, which is good because I don't like to record when there's people around. I don't know. But we got the Shelby GT350 loaded up. Car's still dirty, but hey, road tripping it, racing it. I didn't really see a point to go ahead and get it detailed. Plus, I forgot to schedule the detail, so it is what it is. But we are about like 45 minutes away from the spot. There should be some good cars here, a lot of fast cars, because right now I'm trying to go ahead and run cars that are making more horsepower than me, just so I can really gauge where the car is at. I know there are going to be quite a few of twin turbo Mustangs, specifically S550s as well as S197s, believe it or not, with built motors or 321 setups or full-on Gen 3 swaps, manual. So we're definitely going to get some runs in, hopefully, with those cars. I don't really know what else is going to be there that's going to be a run for the Shelby. There might be some Vets, there might be some ZL1s. I'm not 100% sure, but I do want to run a couple of S197s with the 321 setup, or straight up a Gen 3 swap, or maybe a built Gen 1 with the twin turbo. I know there's a couple of them, all manual, that we're going to try out. Did not pull the car down around the same setup as, since it left Pat Built Performance with the Pro Charger setup. I might go ahead and pulley down later on, but as of right now, you just have the G3R 115mm pulley, and that's the setup, y'all. So it's making around like 850 max, absolute max 900, but I don't think it's making 900. If I put the 110mm on, yeah, we're gonna be making 900. If you guys enjoy this type of content where we travel outside of the Houston land area, because I personally like doing this, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications to stay up to date, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna get back in the car very shortly. Damn, this car dirty, but hey, you know what, we drive it, we race it, we can always get it cleaned, and we'll be back on the way to Mexico.
One eternity later.
All right, pulled up to the spot, letting the car cool down. Already got some runs locked in, but I'm letting it cool down for a little bit, like 15-20 minutes. It's dark as hell over here. If y'all can see much, but I'm trying to run cars that I have not ran yet. Got a couple reruns in, but I'm gonna probably save those for last, just for the fact that I'm for real trying to run to people that I have not raced yet, because obviously that makes sense to do. There's some fast cars in this lot, but for real, I'm gonna have to drive my ass off today. I'll tell you that right now. I'm gonna have to drive my ass off today. That CTSV is pretty badass. This car is pretty sick too. I might try it out. Nitrous 6th gen. Got it. Hope y'all can see, but fast cars. wait till it gets straight. That was a hell of a run. You smell it? A little bit. Woo! That bitch hot! That was a hell of a race. My clutch slipped. Yeah, dude.
That was fucking awesome.
That was a fucking run.
Yeah, that was fucking nuts. How you doing, bro? We fucking stayed nose from 60 to 160.
Yeah, that shit was door to door.
Yeah, literally door to door. Fucking just.
That was a good run.
I want to race down Mach 1.
It's quick. He got that shit figured out. Yeah. He fixed it. That's for sure.
Yeah, with the S1. How you do you guys that fucking S97?
I got him, but the anti-lag, I don't know. The anti-lag's weird, but the white one, yeah, he got that shit fixed.
Man, I'm with Mexico Racing League.
What's up, bro?
Do you mind if I ask you a few questions about the car?
Yeah, for sure.
But, audio? What's up? I will have to pick this up. We're about to go get some runs out.
No, you're good, you're good, you're good. You too, bro.
Catch you after. I love the color, man.
Thank you. Hell yeah, good runs, brother.
Dude, about to go outrun him real quick.
Yeah, I ran my fourth gear all the way the fuck out. I had more. I know, because of gear. All right, successful night out in Mexico. Got some good runs in. I played it safe because the clutch started to slip, so I was like, I ain't gonna keep going out, but badass runs. About to head back to Houston right now. All right, back at the casa. It's a couple days later. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you enjoyed those runs. I'm trying to go ahead and get some more interesting setups on the channel because I've been racing a lot of Mustangs, but at least there's some twin turbo Mustangs. That S197 Mustang was badass. The Mach is fixed. We got another run. I don't have it on my GoPro, but I'm actually waiting for my passenger. Believe it or not, I took a passenger this go around. I'm waiting for him to send me the video. So follow me on Instagram, ears.pov on Instagram. I'm gonna be going ahead and posting all the runs, even the runs that I actually don't have on my GoPro. Those are gonna be going up on the Instagram as well. So there's content everywhere. That car is quick. Anti-lag made a big difference, so it is running a lot harder. And the S650, the Whipple S650 with the 10-speed, that was probably one of the best runs I've had so far on the ESS G3R setup. Now, I'm not gonna race this car again until I replace the clutch because it is literally screaming for help. It's hating life right now. I'm actually going back to Chicago for roughly a week to visit for my birthday. So while I'm actually not racing, not driving the car, I am gonna go ahead and get all the work done so we can come back maybe with more boost, definitely with a new clutch. So stay tuned for that, y'all. And if you've been keeping up with current events, I am considering trading in my S650 for a truck or potentially a C6 Vent. I'm leaning toward a base model so I can go ahead and build upon that because it doesn't really make sense for my vision to buy a Grand Sport or a C6 Z06. Don't even say ZR1, because if I could go ahead and afford a ZR1, we wouldn't even be having this conversation. As a matter of fact, this car wouldn't even be in the driveway right now, the garage, if I could afford a ZR1. I wouldn't even bought this car if I could go ahead and get a ZR1. I would have a C7Z right here, or at least a G80, something like that for that price. So yeah, stay tuned on what's gonna happen with the S650, because I do have some plans, and I think it's time to get something that's gonna work hand in hand with the Shelby GT350 and not clash. Because two Mustangs, you know what I'm saying? If this was like a Gen 1 that had like a Gen 3 swap, it'd be something different. But like, I feel like a Vette and a Shelby GT350, awesome combo. A Shelby GT350 and a truck, even though I really wouldn't even be making content with the truck, it would actually help out the content with the Shelby GT350, because if I take it somewhere, I could tow it, you know what I'm saying? So it would just work hand in hand. Also, it'd be a great daily, and I could make money, you know, with that trailer, going ahead and, you know, renting it out. So yeah, we're gonna be doing something truck or C6 Vette. That's kind of what I have in motion for the S650's replacement. So if you guys enjoyed the content, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications to stay up to date, y'all. I'm trying to go ahead and get my buddy with a Whipple S650. You guys have previously seen it on the channel. It's got a lot of work done. It's significantly faster. I'm trying to get something runs in with him, or not with him, because I'm trying to ride passenger to go ahead and, you know, experience that, because it's fast. It's really fast now. I think it's faster than the Shelby, 100%, 100%. So yeah, if you guys enjoy, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Deuces.